What's up, everyone? I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Thunderhill Raceway. And we have, first of all, can you spot Waldo? Where's Waldo? Where's Bogna? So as you see, the BMW, for you guys that know Thunderhill, and you guys are here for this video because of this, is there's no wives' tale. That Thunderhill won't allow any motorcycle track organization to run in the reverse direction. Meaning, down the straight, we're going towards turn 14, and turn 1 is now 14. Today we're gonna change that. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and run in the reverse direction on the BMW and show you guys what Thunderhill East, the 3 mile, looks like in the reverse direction. So let's get on the bike and let's see what this thing is all about, because I don't know, let's hope it's good. All right guys, so I'm a little bit nervous, just a teeny bit, just because I've never ridden this track reverse. Now, Thunderhill West, we have been forward and reverse at Thunderhill, and I, like most people, like Thunderhill West reversed. And the rumor is that West was designed originally to flow in the reverse direction, but because they wanted to connect the 3 mile and the 2 mile, they had to change the direction. Now that's the rumor. There's also rumors that Thunderhill won't allow any motorcycle organization to run in the reverse direction. So if that rumor is true, we're gonna find out today maybe why. So we're gonna do a couple laps that are a little bit of more of a learning. And you know, when we did reverse in the westward direction, you know, it took a little while to learn it in the opposite direction. This feels absolutely wild going in this direction, you guys. So for you guys that know Thunderhill East, you guys are probably looking at this like, what the hell's going on? So I just want to get a feel for the corners. Obviously our apexes and our apex cones are all completely different. Heading up to 9. This one's a little scary. Woo! Where are we going? Oh, 9 is scary. Woo! Completely blind up over the crest. Now I'm using the numbers backwards, obviously. This is 8 in the normal direction, so we're going to be counting down the directions. And this is 7. Little bit odd. And then 6. 6 is kind of a heavy braking. Oh yeah. Yeah, 6 would be a heavy braking. And then up to 5. Oh, this is going to be terrifying. The direction up to 5, holy shnikey. There it is. Absolutely mad. Whoa. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a blast though. You know, so the apexes are totally different. Actually, I mean, that might be the turn-in, but... So, you know, what's crazy about this direction is there's a lot more blind hills. I don't know where my brake markers are. Yeah, this is wild. It's a lot more of a blind track. I think come out here, snake our way in. Trying to pick up the pace and keep concentrated. So this one, we've got the blind hill straight. Okay, I got it. Maybe be on that side, but I've got a little blind. Okay, head out here. Yeah, this is going to be a heavy brake. Wild. So this is probably the scariest because I gotta get judgment. There it is. So I can probably in good conscience say it is probably a very good idea that Thunderhill does not allow this to run in this direction, because there's virtually almost every corner is blind. So you'll watch, we come over here and we're completely blind. No idea where we're going. Don't know when our braking, when our braking is and stuff like that. Kind of wild. So it's fun only because it's a new track. It's a completely new track, and it's a left-handed track. Thunderhill East in the normal direction is a right-handed track, so you're always on a left-handed track. Let's see, it's a left-handed track. This is a right-handed track. Sorry, got my lefts and rights mixed up. So we're working the right side of the tires now. So yeah, much different. So let's see if we can get 9 down. So we're gonna come up and stay to the right. There we go. It's wild, baby, it's wild. You'll probably get into this a little bit more. This one we're definitely down to some heavy braking, or heavier. There it is. I'm getting a little used to it, understanding the lines a little bit better. I would say if this is the first time that you're for most people, there would have been a couple crashes. And well, that's never good. Oh, my shift rod came off. Well guys, I guess that's where the video ends. My shift rod came off. It's a very common thing to happen, but came in screwed. Oh, the screw's still in there. Well, I'll have to get it sorted out. But Thunderhill East in the reverse direction. Absolutely mad, guys. Absolutely mad. Thank you guys for sticking around. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Comment down below what'd you think. Thunderhill East in the reverse direction. Let me know what you think. Until next video, we gotta limp this in. We'll see you then. Bye, guys.